The wild story of the Taum Sauk Dam failure. When engineering went wrong. Article. The Taum Sauk Dam disaster remains one of the most dramatic engineering failures in modern American history. Located in the picturesque Ozark Mountains of Missouri, the dam was part of the Taum Sauk hydroelectric power station. Built by the Union Electric Company in 1963, it served as a pump-storage hydroelectric plant that generated electricity by releasing water from a high reservoir down to a lower one. Despite its ingenious design, a fatal flaw would lead to catastrophic consequences in 2005, culminating in a sudden, destructive breach that released 1.5 billion gallons of water and left an enduring mark on engineering and environmental safety practices. 1. The design of the Taum Sauk Dam. The Taum Sauk Dam was an innovative pump storage facility, the first of its kind in Missouri, designed to help supply energy during high-demand periods. Water was pumped to the upper reservoir at night when electricity demand was low, then released during the day to produce electricity as needed. It was an off-stream dam, meaning the reservoir was built on top of Prophet Mountain, isolated from any natural river, making it entirely reliant on human-controlled pumps and monitoring systems. However, this innovative approach also introduced risks. The upper reservoir was designed with a simple structure, a 1,555-foot-long earthen embankment composed mainly of rockfill, reinforced by concrete. Unfortunately, this setup lacked the traditional fail-safes found in conventional dams, placing complete trust in the plant's automated monitoring systems. This would later prove to be a costly oversight. 2. The catastrophic failure on December 14, 2005. On the early morning of December 14, 2005, a series of missteps aligned to create disaster. The dam's automated system was supposed to monitor water levels in the upper reservoir and shut off the pumps when it was full. However, a malfunction in the sensors caused the pumps to overfill the reservoir. As the water levels rose, so did the potential energy, creating an ever-growing risk for the dam's integrity. When the upper reservoir finally overflowed, it caused the dam's wall to breach. At approximately 5:20 a.m., 1.5 billion gallons of water thundered down Prophet Mountain in a torrent that would devastate everyone in town. The wall of water, with debris and forceful currents, rushed down through Johnson's Shutdown State Park, a popular tourist destination, causing severe erosion and destruction across the landscape. 3. The human toll and damage. Despite the ferocity of the flood, fatalities were miraculously avoided, though some were injured. The park's superintendent, his wife, and their 3 children, who lived in the park, bore the brunt of the disaster. Their home was swept away, and the family members were carried along in the torrent, suffering injuries, but miraculously surviving. This near-miss with tragedy highlighted the dam failure's incredible force and underscored the importance of proper dam maintenance and risk assessment. In the aftermath, the surrounding environment suffered tremendous damage. Trees were uprooted, park facilities were destroyed, and the landscape of Johnson's shut-ins was transformed. It would take years of restoration work, funded largely by the dam's operators, to repair the ecological and infrastructural damages. For investigations and the engineering oversights. Following the incident, investigators from the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, FERC, and the Missouri Department of Natural Resources conducted a thorough investigation to understand what had gone wrong. The main findings pointed to a lack of proper safety protocols and monitoring deficiencies. The automated system, which was intended to control water levels, had been unreliable, but no human oversight or additional fail-safe measures were in place to address potential issues. The sensors responsible for monitoring the water level were found to be inaccurate, causing the pumps to keep running long past the intended fill level. Additionally, the dam's design lacked structural redundancies and relied solely on electronic monitoring, with no backup mechanisms or manual checks. These oversights underscored a larger issue within the dam industry, the over-reliance on technology without adequate human supervision. 5. The aftermath. Redefining safety standards. The Taum Sauk disaster led to significant changes in dam safety practices and regulatory standards. Ameren, the company operating the dam, faced significant fines and was held responsible for restoring Johnson's shut-in state park. They invested millions of dollars to rebuild the dam with a more robust design, adding human monitoring protocols, secondary containment measures, and enhanced sensor systems to prevent future incidents. The incident also prompted the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission to reevaluate safety standards for similar off-stream dams, advocating for enhanced monitoring protocols and greater human oversight across the industry. Dam engineering has since focused on balancing automation with manual checks to prevent similar failures. 6. Legacy of the Taum Sauk Dam disaster. Today, the rebuilt Taum Sauk Dam stands as a testament to lessons learned from engineering oversight and technological limitations. The tragedy has helped shape modern dam safety protocols and serves as a sobering reminder of the risks involved in managing massive amounts of water through artificial means. By highlighting the importance of redundancy, safety checks, and the irreplaceable value of human oversight, the Taum Sauk failure has left an indelible mark on the world of civil engineering. This story stands as a stark reminder that even the most advanced systems can fail without proper safety checks, and it's a case study for engineers around the world in the importance of combining technology with traditional oversight.